It's a great moment to celebrate right now. That's the message from the St. Louis Metropolitan Pandemic Task Force. Today, it held its very last COVID-19 briefing. Good evening, I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred in for Kay Quinn. For more than a year, weekly briefings updated the public on the current trends our hospital systems were facing. Our Justina Cornell was at the last briefing today and gives us insight on where our community stands.
I hope will be our last media briefing.
It's a sigh of relief as we look back at the 15 months we just endured.
We'll never forget the uncertainty.
Many unknowns mirrored with questions. The St. Louis Metropolitan Pandemic Task Force,
We knew we had to work together.
formed to combat the virus, unifying the region's major healthcare systems. BJC Healthcare, Mercy, SSM Health, and St. Luke's Hospital.
In St. Louis County 1 month earlier, I'd announced the first case of COVID-19 in Missouri. And by the time the Pandemic Task Force was announced, we had 5 deaths in St. Louis County.
This showcased that the virus's vicious grip was only getting tighter. At the peak, task force hospitals had 140 admissions a day in November. Today, that number is at 18.
Today we have a total of around 100 patients hospitalized with COVID, but that's better than we've ever seen at any point in the pandemic.
And that number of discharged patients is more than 22,000, a sign of hope. Head of the task force, Dr. Alex Garza, says vaccines are helping us in this fight. The Pandemic Task Force says that the briefings may be ending, but the pandemic is not over and that we need to continue staying vigilant.
We're at a great spot right now, but we're not done because of the variants that are still coming in, because part of the population is still not vaccinated. That's not a good combination. So we need to remain vigilant. Vaccination will keep us where we are.
We can finally catch our breath, but keep in mind, we're still in this marathon.
We could see another very large spike in the fall. By far, the most important thing that we can do for the future is to get vaccinated.
Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.
The task force said it needed to meet 3 standards to reach its end goal: the number of new transmissions, the elimination of shelter-in-place orders, and the reactivation of the local economy. Dr. Garza believes those conditions were met.